In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up enhanced measurement in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you're turning on, and why it's useful for understanding how people interact with your website. First, make sure you're logged into your Google Analytics account and that you're working in a Google Analytics 4 property, not an older Universal Analytics property. You can confirm this by looking at the property selector at the top. GA4 properties usually have number-only ID and a slightly different layout. Once you're in the right property, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. Down there, you'll see a gear icon labeled Admin. This is where all of your property and account settings live. Go ahead and click the Admin gear icon. This takes you to a 3-column layout where you can manage everything from user access to data settings. For enhanced measurement, we'll focus on the middle column, which is your property settings. In this property column, look for a section called Data Collection and Modification. This is the area that controls how data flows into your property and how it can be adjusted. Within this section, click on Data Streams. A data stream is basically a source of data feeding into your property, such as your website or your mobile app. On the Data Streams page, you'll see a list of all the streams connected to this property. For most basic setups, you'll usually see at least one web data stream for your website and possibly separate streams for iOS or Android apps. Since we're setting up enhanced measurement for a website, find and select your web data stream. This will usually show your website's URL and a label like web or web stream. Click on that web data stream to open its detailed settings. A panel will appear showing stream details, including the measurement ID and various configuration options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Enhanced Measurement. This section controls automatic tracking of common user interactions like page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, file downloads, and more. You should see a single main switch next to Enhanced Measurement. If it's currently off, that means you're missing out on a lot of useful automatic event tracking. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch to On. Once you do this, Google Analytics 4 will automatically start tracking a set of predefined events without requiring you to add extra code to your site, as long as your basic GA4 tag is already installed. After turning it on, you can also click into the Enhanced Measurement area to see exactly which types of events are being tracked, such as site search or video engagement. If you have a more advanced setup, you might choose to customize or disable specific items, but for most users, leaving the defaults on is a great starting point. When you're done, there's no separate save button for this setting. The change is applied as soon as you toggle it on. Give Google Analytics a little time to start collecting the new data, and then you'll be able to see these automatically measured events in your reports. That's all you need to do. You've now successfully set up enhanced measurement in Google Analytics 4, giving you richer insights into how visitors interact with your website without any extra coding.